बनी दैट थोड़ा वक्त दो बनी. Oh my god, I can't tell you. ऐसे पूरा गोवा 10 बार आके Good morning guys. This is our day 4 and yesterday night I could not vlog anymore, so I slept, but we got up early today and it's what 8:30. Change करके you can see I'm ready to go. Thought I'll just start the video from here only. हमेशा वही उठ के दिखाऊंगी that I have gotten up. You guys will get bored. So we are leaving right now and my brother has just applied. My brother has just applied this. I just cannot. I told him and I gave my brother a shower gel. I hand it over to him. ऐसे कि ये उधर रख देना करके, मतलब obviously लिखा shower gel. I said कि sunscreen apply करो. He thought this is the sunscreen and he's applied this on his entire body. So I can't. This is the last day in our villa and we're gonna miss it. Are we gonna miss it? Are we gonna miss it?
A lot.
Are we gonna? This is so pretty. I can't tell you guys.
I find myself in a shit that's less in the shit. I don't trust any of these bitches I'm with in the back of the taxi.
यहीं पे आए थे यार.
Slap.
ਕਦੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਆ ਲੈ ਲੋ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਲੈ ਲੋ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਯੂ ਬਲਾ ਕਮੀ ਆ ਲੋ.
Exactly. अब भी फोन मत गिराना अपना. So we are here. हमें इतना बड़ा गाड़ी लेके आना चाहिए था इधर. It's a very ये रोड भैया. So we are here in Fontainebleau finally. जितने बार आई हूँ गोवा, I come here often, but मैं बिल्कुल यहाँ पे विजिट ही नहीं कर पाती हूँ. So I'm here with my siblings and I'm really happy. Thank God we decided to come here on a Monday, because Sunday it would have been hella crowd. So हम चल पा रहे हैं and the sun is not slapping right now. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? इधर से इधर.
कहाँ जाना है तुमको?
The wind feels so good. I can't tell you guys. This on a Monday, I think so there are not a lot of tourists here. एक दो couples आए थे जिनके मैंने pictures खींचे that they wanted. Still इधर पहुँच गए थे 9 o'clock को, but the traffic was crazy on a Monday. So you should mind that. Feels amazing because कल हम 12 बजे निकले थे. That's a very wrong. बहुत गलत time है. You should not come out उस time पे. सुबह सुबह आओ. You see everything. Click some pictures. Have a food in the cafe. A lot of cute, pretty cafes are here. And then you can go on with your day. I think so I should go and take a picture over there. भाई धूप तो मेरे से हो नहीं पाता है. मेरे पूरा सर दुखेगा अभी और भूख लग रहा है. We can go to that cafe no that we see Roasters Coffee ना अश्मिदी. इस तरफ है भैया, इस तरफ है ना सारा कैफे. ऐसे पूरा गोवा 10 बार आके टूरिस्टी थिंग करके पूरा इधर है कैफेज 10 लोगों को पूछकर. फील सो गुड. आई थिंक दे हैव इमेंस लव फॉर द लैंग्वेज, जहाँ पे ऐसे बहुत सारे स्टेट्स में है. एंड इफ यू नो द लैंग्वेज इट विल बी ईजियर फॉर यू गाइज. And you can walk down the entire alley and you can see different cafes that we have seen. See this is Joseph's bar, one of the most oldest bars of Goa and very famous. After doing all the Fontainebleau walking, taking pictures, making videos, we ended up in a very cute and aesthetic cafe. This is the Gold Spot Cafe Goa, and you should definitely come here for breakfast if you are coming to Fontainebleau. They serve the best juices and breakfast, and this cafe is just on the streets of Fontainebleau. When you have to just park your car somewhere out in the highway के side में जब आप enter करोगे, there are a lot of lanes. You can park the cars there. We have done it, but they don't allow parking, so that's on your own risk. You come, you walk towards. There are 3-4 cafes. Bombay Roaster Coffee, then this one, and और एक क्या था? Gourmet stuff. They have such a retro vibe to it. I love their playlist. You should definitely come here for the ambiance. Garlic bread.
We have triple blast.
We are leaving from the fountain. मेरे साथ गाओ. Discussing, so we are shifting to the another villa, and there are not enough rooms. So we were discussing कि कौन कहाँ सोएगा. I am open to sleep नीचे in the mattress and other things, but Maushmidi has other opinion. क्या है Maushmidi? आपको कहाँ सोना है? आपको सोफे में सोना है. सोफे में सोना है. आपको सोफे बहुत नहीं अच्छे नहीं आती है ना आपको. बड़ा नींद आता है.
नहीं सोफे में बढ़िया नींद आता है. क्रैम्ड अप होके सो जाओगे ना. आपको तो ज्यादा स्ट्रेस भी नहीं लगता होगा.
This is the last day in this villa, and best thing about this place was the pool. How much I'm gonna miss this place. Oh my god, I can't tell you. And this place is full of trees and greens, nicely nourished all the time, and they maintain. ऐसे नहीं कि कुछ भी इधर खराब है और dull है और the leaves are falling. They maintain all their plants, so that's one thing. And our house help. Those people are amazing. Our take carers of the villa are amazing as well. Very supportive, very warm, very welcoming. So I'm gonna see this villa again. Take my makeup bag and give it to my brother because मेरे luggage में space नहीं है. As usual. I am always overpacked for some reason. Always. लिया आप लोगों ने सब कुछ? भैया? You guys all packed?
Yes, we are all set to leave.
ला किसी को रखना पड़ेगा.
बैग में रखना.
जगह नहीं. Nana said this in ये जवानी है दीवानी that थोड़ा वक्त दो बनी सब ठीक हो जाएगा. She was talking about the water, not your life. Of luggage, we 4 people are carrying. I'm carrying 2, and others are carrying one. But
सिटी जाना है भैया.
sitting like this because there's a luggage here and tikki, तो it's पूरा completely filled, तो जगह भी नहीं है. We are shifting to a newer villa right now, and then we'll go वहाँ से to the airport in a few days. यार ये आसगांव का कंस्ट्रक्शन ही खत्म नहीं होता है. Hey guys, so we have checked in. You can just come out of Bay Waters and you can just enter Namma. It's like कि opposite में ही है. So we came here to have lunch. That's the view of my villa, and this is so they share the same view. We have just ordered North Indian because we have had a lot of seafood and हम ये continuously खा रहे हैं. And we'll also have that tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So we'll just have some butter chicken and naans right now. क्या कर रहे हो तीनों फोन में?
पिक्चर्स ले रहे भाई.
तुम लोग वो बैठ के भी ले सकते हो ना.
चलो भैया बैठ.
This is Shiolim ka river that connects that goes under the bridge. Just finished shooting, so I couldn't. बहुत छोटा सा विंडो था मेरा शूट करने का. Go now take a shower because I just got out of the pool. हम लोग मार्केट जाएंगे, हमको कुछ छोटी छोटी चीज़ें लेनी है सबके लिए, so we'll do that and then I'll head to Goya. That's a night club over here for dinner. And so अभी तो हम सब लोग चार्ज में बैठा रहे हैं सब कुछ because everything is just drained out. थोड़ा सा messy है अभी, so I'm sorry for that, but this is how my villa looks in the night. It's very 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 aesthetic. It's very aesthetic and very pretty. I just love this part. They have a hammock over here and there is the swimming pool. Amazing sunset hota hai idhar se. Very pretty. इस टाइम पे तो मार्केट्स ओपन नहीं रहता, बट दीज आर सम अर्जुना में खुल. आई डोंट नो, एवरी टाइम आई कम टू गोवा आई हैव टू गेट समथिंग. मैं इतने बार आ चुकी हूँ और एवरी टाइम आई बाय द सेम डैम थिंग, सम ड्रीम कैचर और टॉप एंड ऑल ये करके, जिसको आई विल नेवर वेयर अगेन. इफ आई जो चीज़ ना ही मेरे लगेज में आएगी ना ही जगह होगा वो मेरे लगेज में, बट विल स्टिल टेक इट.
काटो.
we got a burger from Burger Factory because we wanted to try this for a very long time. So अगर time होगा तो हम कल जाएंगे and we'll have this and going to this Goya whatever it is night club for dinner. Oh God, मैंने ऐसे क्यों बंद किया हुआ है? Yeah, me too, mine. So we are done. We came to Goya. It is a vibe. You guys should definitely come. It looks amazing as well. मैं थोड़ा लाइट के अंदर घुस जाती हूँ. Yes, we are back and हमने Burger Factory से burger मंगवाया था. And we took a takeout, so we'll eat that and then we'll go to sleep. I had a really long day and it was so good. हमने बहुत कुछ plan किया था, so we did all of that. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.